How can I screen my biotin-lated molecules?
One of the tools that we have is the Biotin-Z internalization kit. This kit can help you measure the binding and internalization of your targeting agent to a specific cell surface marker.
What is a Biotin-Z internalization kit?
Our Biotin-Z internalization kit uses saporin as a control component. Saporin is a ribosome inactivating protein that can't enter your cell on its own. So we conjugate saporin to your targeting agent that's specific to your cell type. And once saporin is internalized, it will deactivate the ribosomes, which means there's no protein synthesis and your cell will die.
The targeting agents that you can use can be an antibody, a peptide, a protein, an aptamer, anything that is specific to a cell surface marker. In this case, a biotinylated antibody is the most commonly used thing. ATS will biotinylate your antibody and mix it with Streptavidin-ZAP.
Streptavidin-ZAP is streptavidin conjugated to saporin.
So the kit uses my molecule with biotin attached?
Yes, that's correct.
What comes in the kit?
So the kit includes Streptavidin-ZAP and two controls, unconjugated saporin and a biotinylated secondary IgG conjugated to saporin.
The kit also includes developing reagents that you will need to develop your cytotoxicity assay.
How many molecules can I test with one kit?
So we have 3 kit sizes available. Let me take you to the website and show you.